Get ready for the future of electric trucks. GMC has officially redefined what it means to be an electric powerhouse with the all-new 2025 Sierra EV Denali Edition 1. GM from rolling out the 2025 version with up to 440 miles of range and a base price that's $10,000 lower than the 2024. This is not just another truck, it's a game changer. Modern exterior design. From its bold grille to its sleek body, the Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 is taking electric trucks to a whole new level. With a modern design that stands out on the road and luxury that leaves no detail untouched, this truck is everything you've been waiting for. At first glance, the Sierra EV Denali makes a statement with its reimagined grille, gloss black accents, and dynamic lighting choreography. And that's just the beginning. Powertrain. Underneath that striking exterior is some serious power. With 760 horsepower and a mind-blowing 785 pounds-ft of torque, the Sierra EV can go from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right, this truck isn't just electric, it's fast. Whether you're on the road or off it, the Sierra EV's 800-volt DC fast charging can add 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes, giving you the freedom to roam further than ever. And with the max range battery option, you'll get an impressive 460 miles on a single charge. Talk about going the distance, but it's not just about power. The Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 comes loaded with features that make your life easier, like the innovative trunk-lockable, weatherproof front compartment offering 11 cubic feet of extra storage for your adventures. Need more space? Check out the multi-pro midgate, turning this truck bed into a massive 10-foot 10-inch cargo area. So, whether you're hauling gear or packing for a camping trip, the Sierra EV has you covered, and it's not just about function. Inside, GMC has raised the bar for luxury with quilted Cortex seating, open-pore wood finish, and elegant chrome accents. It's like driving in a first-class lounge on wheels. Interior. The Air Ride adaptive suspension also ensures a smooth ride, no matter how heavy your load is. Whether you're commuting or exploring off-road, the Sierra EV Denali keeps things comfortable and stylish. The tech doesn't stop there. This truck comes with a 16.8-inch touchscreen loaded with built-in apps and all the connectivity you need. While it's missing Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for now, GMC might add those features soon. GMC discreetly put the 2025 Sierra EV Denali on their website with an MSRP of just $89,900, while that price may still be difficult to swallow. It is about $10,000 less than the 2024 Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 starting MSRP of $99,495 with $1,995 DFC. And for those looking for more range, the max range model will run you about $100,495, but it gives you that extra 460 miles of range. If that's still a bit steep, GMC has you covered. The new trim's Elevation and AT4 are set to launch next year with lower price tags. While we don't know exact figures yet, we expect them to be more budget-friendly, likely around $75,000, and eligible for federal tax credits. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a city driver, or just looking for the future of trucks, the 2025 Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 is here to change the game. It's more than just an electric truck, it's a revolution. GM's electric truck lineup is looking a lot more complete. Last week, GM announced that the Chevy Silverado E, a more affordable counterpart of the pricier Sierra EV, will start at $57,095. That truck's extended range LT variant, with a range of 408 miles, starts at $75,195. Overall, the Silverado EV seems far more promising than the RST First Edition I evaluated earlier this year, which cost an eye-popping $96,000. Other standard Sierra EV Denali features include 4-wheel steering with a crab walk feature, the multi-pro midgate, adaptive air ride suspension, a panoramic glass roof, and V2H capabilities. which can power a fully equipped home for up to 21 days with minimal daily energy consumption. GMC issued a formal press release earlier today, providing new information regarding the 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali. It turns out that the new, lower price is for the Sierra Extended Range, which has a range of 390 miles. The max range variant costs more and has an estimated range of 460 miles. New luxury elevation and off-road focused AT for models will follow the Denali into production in the first half of 2025. You can check the whole release. The 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali is expected to appeal to both electric vehicle fans and truck enthusiasts. It's a formidable contender in the developing electric truck industry, whether you're thinking of using it for regular commuting, towing, or off-road excursions. Are you ready to experience the next level of electric driving? Let us know what you think about the new Sierra EV Denali in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest in automotive innovation. Visit www.eve-riders.com for more auto update and review. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, drive safe and take care.